Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will show you a delicious recipe using eggplant or brinjal as we call in India. When I make this, then all I need is a bowl of hot steamed rice and nothing else. If you are using a large eggplant, then try making long pieces like I showed you. Now I will season them with some salt and little bit of haldi or turmeric powder. Rub the eggplants till they get well coated with the salt and turmeric powder. If you are too concerned regarding your nails turning yellow, then please wear a pair of gloves while doing this. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil turns hot, place the eggplants in a single layer. Use a large flat pan for this recipe as it will be more convenient for you. Cover the pan on medium heat for a few minutes. Then uncover and turn the eggplants. Cover again on medium-low heat till they turn tender. I had soaked some cashew nuts in hot water for about 4 hours. I'm going to blend these. If you do not have a powerful blender, then I would advise you to soak the cashews overnight in just plain water, or else the cashews won't get blended to a fine paste. Let's now check on the eggplants. They are, I would say, about 90% done. These will again go into the gravy, so this is the right time to take them out. There is still some oil left in the pan and the heat is low. I am going to add some roughly chopped garlic. Do not chop them too fine as they will burn. Stir them on low heat till they start developing little brown color along the edges. Then add chopped onions. Sprinkle little salt to help the onions soften up. Then add chopped ginger. While those get fried, we will make the yogurt spice mix. You need plain unflavored yogurt. If you are on a vegan diet, you can use any plant-based plain unflavored yogurt. Kashmiri red chili powder. It is mild in heat level and gives a nice red color to the gravy. You can even use paprika. Then haldi or turmeric powder and dhania or coriander powder. Mix very well. My onions have softened down, so time to add the yogurt. Heat as low as possible. Add a splash of water to bring down the temperature of the pan. Then add the yogurt and immediately start stirring. Now increase the heat to medium and keep stirring continuously till the yogurt starts to bubble. If you follow all these steps while adding yogurt for any recipe, it won't ever curdle. Remember, you need to keep on stirring till the yogurt also gets well cooked. Once you see those bubbles around the edges and the oil leaving the sides, it's time for the cashew paste. Add some sugar to balance the flavor. Next, add half a cup of hot water. Once the gravy comes up to a boil, cover it and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover and give a stir. I again added little bit of hot water to loosen up the gravy, but do not add too much as that will dilute the flavor. Do a taste test at this point and adjust the seasonings. I felt it needed little sugar. Now add the fried eggplants. Cover it again on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, uncover and give the pan a shaky. Then I added garam masala powder to perfume the dish. Finally, some freshness to the dish, roughly chopped coriander leaves. I like this best with hot steamed rice, but that's just me, as I can literally eat anything with rice. Before ending, I want to say a massive thank you for all your support and for watching my videos. This is Bumbi, and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.